Hello crafty friends and welcome to my first ever chatty video. Today I want to show you a sort of flip through my December daily of 2020. If you want to know how I made this particular album, I will link it somewhere up there. Because I filmed all the process, how I made the base and how I made the cover. And now it's time to reveal the inside. So if you like this sort of videos, please keep watching and yeah, enjoy. So let's jump right in. I have a little string closure here around two pins. I found a little, what is it, ringy thing. It's called a bell, this ringy thing. Now I have it. So yeah, I like bells. I think they're pretty Christmassy, so it was a nice little add-on to my closure. Yeah, when you open my December daily, you see that it consists of many envelopes. This is the base of the album, are just envelopes glued together. And I really like this style of album because it's not just pretty easy, but you already have pre-made pockets where you can put more photo mats inside. So if you want to know how to make this style of base, there will be a link in the upper corner. I made this December daily not only to document the December as it is intended for, but I also challenged myself to take a Polaroid every day. So I had to find every day an interesting motive to photograph. It wasn't always that easy, but Christmas time is, yeah, it's a topic which has many motives to offer, so this was not that of a very big challenge, but still, to make every day a picture, for me it was at least quite challenging. So yeah, I start rambling now. I will stop my talking here and show you some pages or my favorite mats from this album, and hope you will enjoy and get maybe a little bit inspired by this. So thanks for watching in advance and see you in the next one. Bye!